ವಿರಾಜಪೇಟೆ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಮಗ್ಗುಲ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂತ್ರಿಮಂಡಲ ರಚನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಭರತ್ ಚೆವೂರ್ ಅವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಸ್ತು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತೆ ತಿಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು.
May I now invite Captain of Cherry House, Danishka, to come forward and receive their sash and badge. Discipline is the foundation of all success, and we believe our newly appointed discipline leaders will lead by example with firmness, fairness and integrity. Now we invite chief guest.
ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥೆ ಪೂಜಾ ಸಜೇಶ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆ ವಹಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
I see so many faces here today which I'm sure all of you are filled with pride and gratitude, and I'm sure all of you are looking forward with great potential and talent to make a difference in coming days. However, I think of a small story and I want to tell you all. A boy who wasn't the fastest, wasn't the smartest in a football team, however, was always taking responsibility for wins and losses of the team. Always used to push his fellow teammates to do better in the football matches. And one fine day, his coach walks up to him and says, "Hey boy, you will be the captain from today." Surprisingly, the boy said, "Sir, why me? I'm not the fastest, I'm not the smartest." He said, "I know, but from today, you will be the captain." And he said, "Okay." I'm sure many of you know this boy who I'm talking about, Lionel Messi, the great football. Yeah, I can see he was fine. Okay, Lionel Andres Messi, his full name. So children, sometimes you don't need to be the smartest, you don't need to be the perfect child in the team to be the leader. You just have to push your fellow teammates to do better. You know, you don't just have to shine, you have to help your fellow teammates to shine better. So that's what I think leaders do. You just, like Sir rightly said, you just don't have to stand up and give orders. Sometimes all you have to do is listen. Listen to your teammates, listen to your teachers, listen to your parents, listen to your maybe just your friend. And the solution, you can all maybe come up with a fine solution. It is just not about giving orders. To my fellow leaders, just remember, when the path gets tough, just remember why you were chosen.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಪ್ರತಿಮಾ ರಂಜನ್, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿ ಮೀರಾ ಪೂಣಚ್ಚ, ಸಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಪೋಷಕರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.